This video will guide you through the steps necessary to ensure a perfect fit for your new Vikingbags tail bag. Follow these steps to properly secure your bag and you'll be ready to ride. Includes everything needed to attach it quickly and easily without additional tools. Position the bag on the rear seat or tail section of your bike. Make sure the bag is centered and clear of all hot or moving parts. Loop the strap with a plastic hook around the foot peg area of your bike and pass the hooked end through the loop on the opposite side of the strap, creating your front anchor point. Attach the plastic hook with the corresponding D-ring mounting point on the bag and pull strap to tighten. Loop another strap around the rear mounting point and attach the hook to the corresponding D-ring as you did in the previous step. This mounting point may be the tail of your bike behind the bag. Repeat this process for the other side's front and rear mounting points. Once your bag is in place, pull all 4 straps tight so the bag is secured with no movement. Your new street tail bag is now mounted and you're ready to ride. You can take the adventure with you by quickly removing and converting your tail bag into a shoulder bag using the included strap.